Welcome to FLBC 2022.
So good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the maiden edition of the Fashion, Law and Business Conference. Can we just put our hands together?
And I'm so very thankful for you guys that came around, registered, and sold and bought the idea of the Fashion Law Conference. And that's what we're here today, to have conversations that are relevant to the fashion industry.
There are a lot of people looking to get into the space. Who is opening the door for who?
Looking at the topic that we treated today is very, very important, where you have to be able to protect your intellectual property, where you have to learn that fashion is not all about just sewing.
You have to see it as an investment. That's the only way that I can kind of say the money is going to be well spent. The same way you would budget to register your business or something, budget to protect the business. You can make money from your designs. You don't actually have to own it forever.
My experience has been very good. An organized conference, and I enjoyed every bit of it. It's been very informative, so informative. I mean, you get to have information that you probably not be privy to on a normal day, but being here has been so good.
But the problem I see here is everybody wants to have their own thing. We cannot run this ecosystem, this fashion business in isolation. It's more harm than good. So we need to come together. Let's make this work.
I just had an amazing time at the Fashion, Business and Law Conference. I think that it was a very important conference that we needed to have because the fashion industry in Nigeria is growing. We have a lot more people coming into the industry. There are a lot more numbers to play with. We have a lot more conversations around intellectual property and protecting your creativity. And the industry is becoming more formal and professional. And law is a very important part of any industry or any profession. For the longest time, we've not had conversations around fashion, we've not had sensitizations. So this is so important because people need to know that there is a law part of their fashion business. The fashion industry in Africa and in Nigeria needs structure, and law is one of the key areas that would put structure in the industry. I mean, it's been a blast. I've learned so much just listening to the speakers and even with my session. So yeah, kudos to the team for putting it together.
I'll start with the fact that the fashion industry in Nigeria is not where it used to be, where fashion was not a profession, or it was not something that anybody would look at as a credible career to go into. But this same industry is worth billions of dollars, right? But at the moment, we've not tapped into half of what we can actually attain. And this is due to the fact that we're lacking in partnerships.
This conference is very important to kind of bridge the gap we have between the informal sector as the fashion industry is seeing and formal sectors like law and business. It's helped and to properly navigate people towards doing things they like and how to do it properly, have a foundation, structure, and to help implement things in the future.